Well, hi all. I'm Rupak, and here's the surprise tutorial for you all. Well, I'd rather say it as a video than a tutorial. Well, who doesn't like admiring crafts? Whether you're a craft lover or not. And the most important thing of that, after seeing a craft, that would be a spark in order to do the craft. Well, there are several reasons that might affect the same, which upholds like the duration of the video, lack of equipment, and many. So 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! For you all, come the Rupak School Stuff Shorts. Well, the name might sound similar because it was inspired by Master of Throb, but the idea is different. The major idea is that we'll learn cool, easy drawing techniques, tips, and hacks, and origami that you could fold within the snap of your finger. Well, not the Thanos snap, and even DIY crafts. So you're interested, right? Then stay tuned to my channel for the Rupak School Stuff Shorts, and it holds several surprises which are yet to unfold. Catch you later and stay tuned. Until then, bye bye.